Do you know just few ingredients in your kitchen can help you to burn that stubborn belly fat? Yes, if that is what you want to learn, please stick to this video to the very end and like this video so others can see it. Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. The first thing I'm going to use is pineapple. Because I'll be using the back of this pineapple, is very important to give it a proper rinse so you won't have sand in your drink. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut the head of this pineapple because I do not need this in the drink. You go ahead and trim off the down part of the pineapple. You can feel free to cut your pineapple and peel it as you desire. If you watch this video to this very time, please don't forget to like this video. Give this video a thumbs up so that others can see it. Also, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you will be notified anytime I post a new video. So guys, we'll go ahead and peel our pineapple nicely. I'll go ahead and continue peeling. We are almost done peeling our pineapple. You can peel it into any shape of your choice. After peeling my pineapple, guys, go ahead and transfer the peel into a clean pot. After transferring the peel of the pineapple into a clean pot, because this is a recipe, you need to follow the exact measurement. We are going to be using 4 cups of water. I'll be using 4 cups and 1/3 cup of water to make this fat burner drink. This is basically for belly fat, stubborn belly fat. With this drink, you'll be sure to lose that belly fat in 2 weeks. While my pineapple back is boiling, I'll go ahead and squeeze my lemon with a manual lemon juicer. You can feel free to use your electric juicer, or you can also use your hand to squeeze out the lemon juice. So guys, after squeezing out my lemon juice, I will set it aside. I'll go ahead and cut my cucumbers, which is the third ingredient I'll be using for this belly fat burner drink. After cutting my pineapple, I'll put it in a bowl and set it aside. Guys, recreate this recipe, try this recipe rather, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. So when you are cutting your pineapple, it's only the juicy part that is needed. The middle part, that is the stalk, is not needed. That's why I did not put it in our juice or drink. So the last ingredient I'll be using for this drink is ginger. Ginger is very necessary when preparing any weight loss drink. It's very necessary. So you go ahead, wash your ginger on a cutting board, chop it and set it aside. So we have all our ingredients nicely prepped. I have here my pineapple, my cucumbers, I have my ginger and my lemon juice, guys. So I'll go ahead and check on my pineapple back that I was boiling, and you can see it's nicely boiled. We are going to filter this because it's the juice from the pineapple back that we need for our drink. After filtering it with after filtering out my juice from the back of the pineapple, I'm going to go ahead and transfer everything into a blender. I first of all add in my pineapple. I go ahead and add my cucumbers, and I go in with my ginger. I'm not going to add my lemon juice now. So what I'm adding here is juice we got from the back of the pineapple. So after blending, I go ahead and add my lemon juice. Go ahead and stir properly for it to combine. So look at what we have here, guys. Our belly fat burner drink is ready. Because of the lemon content, it's important you take this drink 3 times in a week. It can last in the refrigerator for 5 to 7 days. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for the support. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to join the family. Subscribe to this channel. Try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.